Codent is a leading company specializing in the design, manufacture, and distribution of dental handpieces and related equipment. Codent's extensive range of products also includes brushless electric motors, implant handpieces, and spare parts. In its headquarters and modern manufacturing facility in Taiwan, Codent uses the latest CNC machining and precise measuring equipment to produce products to the highest international standards. Codent's research and development activities are at the forefront of the industry and include advanced development of laser cutting technology for use in dental surgery. Codent is certified by CE, FDA, and TÜV, etc. Since Codent started operations in 1985, it has striven to achieve the highest possible efficiency in production, cost control, quality assurance, and innovation. Codent's handpiece designs are recognized worldwide as including some of the most innovative features in the dental field, and are consistently held up as an example of attractive design using best-in-class materials. Quality is always Codent's first priority and highest guiding principle. Codent helps build the bridge of trust between dentist and patient with the supply of the quietest and most reliable equipment available today.